In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Webull Desktop. So the first thing you want to do, you want to close down Webull Desktop completely, make sure it's not opened up anywhere over here or down here in your taskbar. And after you do this, you have to do one of the two things. You have to go to the search box over here, search for Control Panel, open it up, and then over here, go inside the programs. If you can't see these categories, make sure the view is set by category over here, and then click on Programs, go to Programs and Features, and over here, you want to look for Webull Desktop. Now, for me, it's over here at the top. If you can't find it, just look for Webull up top. There we go. Click on it and click on Uninstall. If it's not showing Webull Desktop in here, what you're going to want to do is the second part, which is going to the search box, looking for installed apps like this. There we go. Click on that. It's going to open up your Windows settings. And in here, you can search the apps, look for Webull, and it should be over here. Now, you can just click on those three dots, uninstall, and it's going to uninstall from your computer. So for me, I'm going to do it over here because, of course, I have both the options. And after you click on that, it's going to say if you want to uninstall completely, click on yes. And then do you really want to remove it? Of course, I'm going to do yes, but if you don't want to remove the user configuration and cache, you can do no, but I'm going to do yes for this instance, and there we go, it's been now removed. However, it's worth noting that whenever you remove it from, for example, from the control panel, it's going to get removed from your installed apps inside settings as well, and vice versa, okay? So basically, whenever you delete it from one of those, it's going to get deleted from your computer. You don't have to do it twice. Sometimes it's just not showing in either one of these two. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.